You stare at the ceiling at 2 in the morning while your body feels like lead, but your mind is running a marathon. You have tried the pills that leave you groggy and the meditation apps that just annoy you. You have bought the expensive pillows and the blackout curtains and the white noise machines. But the deep, restorative sleep that actually repairs your brain and resets your energy feels like a distant memory from 30 years ago. Here is the truth that doctors rarely explain to seniors. The solution to your insomnia is likely sitting on your kitchen counter right now, but you have been throwing the most potent part of it in the trash for decades. We are talking about a natural sedative so powerful that researchers are calling it nature's sleeping pill. It does not require a prescription. It does not cause dependency. It does not leave you in a fog the next morning. It is completely natural, yet it activates the same relaxation pathways in your brain that strong pharmaceutical drugs target. Science has confirmed that the skin of this common fruit contains a hidden reservoir of minerals and compounds that specifically target the aging nervous system. But you cannot just eat it raw because your stomach cannot break down the cellular matrix to release the medicine. You have to unlock it using a specific thermal extraction method that turns garbage into a potent sleep tonic. In this video, we will reveal the 5 steps to making the banana peel tea that knocks you out deeply. And stick around because number 2 is the crucial timing rule that stunned researchers by fixing the one issue that ruins sleep for almost every senior. We have included the scientific references in the description so you can verify the data yourself. Before we begin, tell us in the comments your age and where you're watching from because we read every response. Now, let's get started and be ready because number 5 will surprise you. Number 5, the Magnesium Vault. Why the peel? Most people peel a banana and throw the skin away without realizing they are discarding a biological vault of sleep nutrients. We have been conditioned to think the fruit is the prize and the skin is just the packaging. But researchers analyzing the nutritional density of bananas discovered something that completely flips this idea upside down. The peel contains significantly higher concentrations of potassium and magnesium than the soft fruit inside. This matters desperately for seniors because magnesium is the single most critical mineral for shutting down the nervous system at night. It acts as a natural agonist for GABA, which is a neurotransmitter that tells your brain to stop firing and start resting. When you are deficient in magnesium, your nerves stay in a state of hyperexcitability. This is why you feel tired but wired. Your muscles cannot fully relax. Your legs might twitch or cramp in the middle of the night. Your brain keeps looping through thoughts because the chemical brake pedal is missing. The banana peel is essentially a hardened armor designed to protect the fruit. And to do that, it is packed with these dense structural minerals. A study published in the Journal of Pharmacognosy and Phytochemistry found that banana peels are rich in tryptophan as well. Tryptophan, which is an essential amino acid, is the direct precursor to serotonin and melatonin. This means the peel provides the raw materials your brain needs to manufacture its own sleep hormones. The problem is that as you age, your ability to absorb magnesium from regular food drops by up to 30%. You need a concentrated source that is easy for an older digestive system to assimilate. The magnesium in the peel is bioavailable, but it is locked inside tough cellulose fibers. When you access this vault, you're essentially flooding your bloodstream with a natural muscle relaxant that dissolves tension within minutes. It acts like a biochemical key that turns off the fight or flight switch that keeps so many seniors awake. This is not about nutrition in the general sense. This is about using food pharmacology to sedate a restless body. But knowing the minerals are there is only half the battle because you cannot access them by chewing on a raw peel. You need to use a specific extraction method to break the lock. Before we continue, smash that like button and subscribe right now. Don't miss the life-changing tips still ahead. Number 4. The thermal release, the extraction recipe. You cannot simply steep a banana peel like a tea bag and expect it to work. Tea leaves are dried and fragile, designed to release their compounds the moment hot water hits them. A banana peel is a robust living tissue designed to survive tropical storms and pest attacks. Its cellular structure is thick, dense, and resistant to water. If you just pour hot water over a peel, you will get a cup of slightly flavored water with zero medicinal benefit. To unlock the Magnesium Vault, you must use a process called decoction. This means using sustained heat over time to physically lyse, or break open, the cell walls of the peel. Start by taking a ripe banana and cutting off the hard fibrous ends on both sides. You can leave the fruit inside if you want a sweeter tea, or you can eat the fruit and use only the peel. Place the peel in a small pot with about 2 to 3 cups of water. Bring it to a rolling boil and then lower the heat to a simmer. You must let it simmer for at least 10 to 15 minutes. This specific duration is critical. Research into herbal extraction shows that minerals bound to cellulose require roughly 10 minutes of boiling to release into the water. You will know it is working when the water turns a golden amber color. That color change is the visual signal that the tryptophan and electrolytes have migrated from the solid peel into the liquid. Think of this process like melting ice to get water. You are using heat to change the state of the nutrients from solid bound to liquid soluble. Once the time is up, strain the liquid into a mug. You now have a concentrated mineral broth that your body can absorb almost instantly. Because the minerals are already dissolved in water, they bypass the difficult digestive breakdown that solid supplements require. They pass through the stomach and enter your bloodstream rapidly. This thermal release method is the difference between a placebo and a potent remedy. However, even the strongest sedative tea will fail if your internal body chemistry is unstable. Your blood sugar plays a massive role in whether you stay asleep, and the next edition fixes that. Number 3. The Metabolic Stabilizers, boosters. You might fall asleep easily with the magnesium from the peel, but staying asleep is a different biological challenge. Millions of seniors wake up abruptly at 3 in the morning with a pounding heart or a sense of anxiety. This is rarely a bladder issue or a noise issue. It is almost always a metabolic issue known as nocturnal hypoglycemia. When your blood sugar drops too low in the middle of the night, your brain views it as a survival emergency. To save you, your adrenal glands release a spike of cortisol and adrenaline to liberate stored glucose. That adrenaline surge is what wakes you up instantly and makes it impossible to fall back asleep. You are wide awake because your body is chemically preparing for a fight. To prevent this, you must add a metabolic stabilizer to your banana tea. We recommend adding a stick of Ceylon cinnamon or a crushed cardamom pod to the boiling water. This is not for flavor. This is functional medicine. A study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food demonstrated that cinnamon mimics insulin and increases glucose uptake into cells. It helps stabilize your blood sugar levels so you do not experience that dangerous drop in the middle of the night. It acts like a metabolic anchor that holds your glucose steady while you sleep. Cardamom works synergistically by aiding digestion and reducing the gastrointestinal distress that can also disrupt sleep. By pairing the sedative power of the banana peel with the stabilizing power of cinnamon, you are addressing the 2 biggest causes of senior insomnia. You are relaxing the nervous system and stabilizing the fuel supply. This combination prevents the adrenaline spike before it can even happen. Think of the banana peel as the brake pedal and the cinnamon as the cruise control. Together, they ensure a smooth ride through the night without the sudden stops and starts that ruin your rest. But there is a catch that can turn this perfect remedy into a nightmare. If you drink this potent elixir at the wrong time, you will destroy its benefits completely. Number 2. The absorption window, timing and dosage. Timing is the single variable that separates success from failure with this remedy. The biology of fluid absorption in seniors is different from that of younger adults. As you age, your kidney function changes, and your bladder capacity often decreases. If you drink this tea immediately before getting into bed, you are making a critical tactical error. You will fall asleep quickly thanks to the magnesium, but you will wake up 90 minutes later with a full bladder. This condition, called nocturia, fractures your sleep cycles and prevents you from reaching the deep delta waves where brain repair happens. To use banana tea effectively, you must understand the pharmacokinetics of mineral absorption. It takes approximately 45 to 60 minutes for your body to absorb the magnesium and tryptophan, and for the sedative effects to peak in your bloodstream. Therefore, you must drink your small cup of tea exactly 1 hour before your intended sleep time. This window is your absorption sweet spot. It gives the magnesium enough time to relax your skeletal muscles and slow your heart rate before you lie down. Crucially, it also gives your kidneys enough time to process the fluid. You can then empty your bladder one last time right before you get into bed. This strategy allows you to go to sleep with a relaxed nervous system and an empty bladder. You get the biochemical benefit of the tea without the hydraulic pressure on your kidneys. Keep the serving size small, between 4 and 6 ounces. You do not need a giant mug to get the medicinal dose. The concentration of minerals in the water is high, so a small amount is sufficient. Researchers at sleep clinics emphasize that fluid timing is just as important as the fluid itself. By adhering to this 60-minute rule, you align the remedy with your body's filtration speed. You are threading a needle between hydration and sedation. However, there is one final warning that is more important than everything else we have discussed. If you ignore this next rule, you are not making a health tonic. You are brewing a toxic soup. Number 1. The Toxin Shield, the organic mandate. We have saved the most critical safety warning for number 1 because it is non-negotiable. Bananas are one of the most heavily sprayed crops in the world. Commercial banana plantations use massive amounts of pesticides, fungicides, and insecticides to protect the fruit from tropical pests. These chemicals, including organophosphates like chlorpyrifos, are designed to kill nervous systems. They accumulate on the thick skin of the banana. When you peel a banana to eat the fruit, you usually discard this toxic outer layer. But when you make banana peel tea, you are doing the exact opposite. If you boil a conventional, non-organic banana peel, you are essentially extracting these poisons and concentrating them into the water. Heat increases the solubility of many of these chemical residues. You are creating a pesticide soup that you then drink directly. For a senior with an aging liver and kidneys, this is a dangerous metabolic insult. Ingesting neurotoxins can cause inflammation in the brain, which is the exact opposite of what you are trying to achieve. It can lead to brain fog, headaches, and even worsen sleep quality over time by stressing your detoxification pathways. Therefore, the mandate is simple. You must use organic bananas for this tea. If organic bananas are absolutely unavailable or too expensive, there is a backup protocol you must follow. You must scrub the conventional banana peel thoroughly with a solution of baking soda and water. A study from the University of Massachusetts found that soaking fruit in a baking soda solution for 12 to 15 minutes can remove a significant percentage of surface pesticide residues. However, organic is always the safer and superior choice for this specific remedy. Think of the peel as a shield that catches all the arrows intended for the fruit. You do not want to melt down the shield and drink it unless you know it is clean. By using organic peels, you ensure that you are getting only the restorative minerals and none of the industrial toxins. This single decision determines whether this tea heals you or harms you. It is the foundation upon which the entire remedy rests. You now have the blueprint for a sleep remedy that is cheaper, safer, and often more effective than anything you will find in a pharmacy aisle. You understand that the peel is a vault of magnesium that quiets the racing mind. You know that boiling it for 10 minutes unlocks the medicine that raw eating cannot access. You know to add cinnamon to anchor your blood sugar and prevent those 3 a.m. wake-up calls. You know to drink it 1 hour before bed to protect your sleep from your bladder. And you know that organic peels are the only way to avoid turning your tea into a toxin. This is not just about sleeping longer. This is about sleeping deeper. It is about giving your aging brain the raw materials it needs to wash away the plaque and exhaust of the day. Try this tonight. Boil the water, smell the cinnamon, sip the warm amber liquid, and feel the weight of the world lift off your shoulders. Your body remembers how to sleep. It just needs a little help finding the switch. If you found this video helpful, please tell us in the comments. Have you ever used food as medicine before, and did it work? We would love to hear your story. Thank you for watching, and here is to your best night of sleep in years.